Hello there, kids. Today we're gonna fly around the world and learn our alphabets. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for hat, I for igloo, J for jar, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for snake, T for turtle, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yacht, and Z for zebra. See you soon! For more videos, please hit subscribe. If you like the video, please press like and share to your friends and family. Thank you.